Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Lutfi kholishotul munawaroh. I'm from English Education Department, State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. Well, here I would like to explain the material about collecting qualitative data. Qualitative data collection is more than simply deciding on whether you will observe or interview people. 5 process steps in collecting data. There are 5 interrelated steps in the process of qualitative data collection. These steps should not be seen as linear approaches, but often one step in the process does follow another. The 5 steps are: first, to identify participants and sites to be studied and to engage in a sampling strategy that will best help you understand your central phenomenon and the research question you are asking. Second, the next piece is to gain access to these individuals and sites by obtaining permissions. Third, once permissions are in place, you need to consider what types of information will best answer your research question. Fourth, at the same time, you need to design protocols or instruments for collecting and recording the information. Finally, you need to administer the data collection with special attention to potential ethical issues that may arise. Sampling approaches to selecting participants and sites. The selection of participants and research sites is intentional and purposeful to understand best the central phenomenon under study. There are many different purposeful sampling strategies, and qualitative researchers need to select one or more based on their intent of the sampling. Permissions required to gain access. Researchers often seek out gatekeepers to gain access to individuals and sites to study. In gaining permissions, qualitative researchers are sensitive to the potentially intrusive nature of their research and are mindful of respecting individuals and sites, potential power imbalances, and giving back or reciprocating. Types of qualitative data. The first, observation. Observation is the process of gathering open-ended, first-hand information by observing people and places at a research site. As a form of data collection, observation has both advantage and disadvantage. Advantage include the opportunity to record information as it occurs in a setting, to study actual behavior, and to study individuals who have difficulty verbalizing their ideas. For example, preschool children. Some of these advantages of observation are that you will be limited to those sites and situations where you can gain access. And in those sites, you may have difficulty developing rapport with individuals. The second, Interviews. Equal popular to observation in qualitative research is interviewing. A qualitative interview occurs when researchers ask one or more participants general, open-ended questions and record their answers. The researchers then transcribes and types the data into a computer file for analysis. The third, documents. A valuable source of information in qualitative research can be documents. Documents consist of public and private records that qualitative researchers obtain about a site or participants in a study, and they can include newspaper, minutes of meetings, personal journals, and letters. These sources provide valuable information in helping researchers understanding central phenomena in qualitative studies. The last, audiovisual materials. The final type of qualitative data to collect is visual image. Audiovisual materials consist of images or sounds that researchers collect to help them understand the central phenomenon under study. Used with increasing frequency in qualitative research, image or visual materials such as photographs, videotapes, digital image, paintings, and pictures. Okay, maybe that's all that I can inform to you. Thank you for watching, guys. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.